Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
It is the last clash before the big grand finale, and one more sound will get the opportunity to do more, be more, and win more right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. What do you think about a big company like Guinness doing something like this?
Well, Guinness is doing something great, and my purpose is they are doing something great, and I love what Guinness is doing. So the highlight and everything, you understand? So high grade sound, just look out.
Why did Road Karma decide to enter this clash?
Because, you know, we have talent, you know what I mean? So, you know, we want to send talent to the world, you know what I mean? Because, you know, we come from a small community, Kingston 12, you know what I mean? Even though we play in various places, but Guinness is a more established, you know what I mean, competition we can go all over the world, you know what I mean? So that's why we just decided to come in Guinness Sounds of Greatness, you know what I mean? To push your career a bit further.
What's going to make you stand out tonight here?
I tell you the truth, I like what I go on in the crowd already, saying, oh, so I go up there, a problem, massive, straight.
Now, who are some of the selectors that influenced you to even be where you are today?
When I look at you that come up, I used to love music, understand me? I used to have a little boombox and I used to play in my room, and when I play the boombox, and I just music alone, I play like dance and them things there, and listen. And I'm also stone love and fire things and turn them around, so them was one of the man that really push me for those for me right now, you understand me?
If you're ready for war, say war. Say war. War.
Stone up in it. Now give me the argument.
High grade sound. You will choose first. Step to the table and choose one of the Guinness bottles. Road Karma, you're up next. Move to the table. Choose a Guinness bottle. Followed by Massive International. And of course, one remaining bottle goes to the sound that reached last, TWINSTAR. Take you up the star. High grade sound, which number?
Number 2.
Number 2. Road Karma.
Number 4.
Number 4, so you play last. Massive.
Number 1.
And of course, TWINSTAR.
Number 3.
Number 3. Massive, send for your juggler. Line up on the turntable right now, ready for shoot. Cause the war time.
Now for round 1, each of the 4 sounds will be juggling for 15 minutes. At the end of the 15 minutes, our judges tonight will be judging them on musical selection, stage presence, and of course, crowd reaction. Now at the end of that, they will be getting a score from each judge. Those scores will be tallied, and that will determine where they're placed in round 2. So, time for round 1 and Beatrice, I'm going now. Juggling style, Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
Can I get 15 minutes on the clock? The juggling round starts after this.
The juggling round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All who come from St. Thomas, I'm proud of St. Thomas put a tone in our ear.
Massive sound and bust them head like a beer.
Well,
Get them nowhere.
Portland! St. Thomas, guess what?
Hear them flip out there, them chat when I tune me up here, yo.
All who don't know a massive sound, I'm telling you this.
Why?
All who come up with sound, that tone in our ear. Yes! All who don't know a massive, guess what?
Say massive sound is good to go. Massive sound. Stepped in the dance of this evening.
I want to win massive. Move back on the jaw on a pitney last dollar. For kill the Sonia, but you no can't kill me.
Did it try but could not test it. Did it try but mercy threw them down. Look how massive come the sound I hear their sound tonight.
Me used to go seafood school. No boy can't go around me.
We know the reason.
So tell them.
We kill sound any season.
So tell them.
So me go so show me on the hand. The original the yachted gunman.
Somebody told us.
Show I not eat your little jump and can't work.
Yeah.
So if you
all who go down sometime, take camera up on one. What you feel do? Somebody say. What about that song? Yeah.
Ragamuffin, reggae beat, dance out on the street, dance down on the beat, on the dirty whistle I do it, every stage show whistle I keep, every big song them I repeat, them I respond in on them feet, them I clap hands in on them teeth.
All who can defend yourself, do it in here. We're not back on your officer. People, yeah, some boys say them a bad man, them a novice. Them on the front touch road and war, but they run left them friend.
Coachy load from in a Netherlands.
Yeah.
The grabbers stink like alligator
Yeah.
man. The scheme hot today we are the weatherman. A boy full of chat, so me a fi say no man.
Big up to all who come from country. Me I got big up some place at town.
the whole of Portmore and the whole of St. James.
Yeah.
Remember we when we're gone, we live forever.
Yeah.
Salt Spring, we not going under.
Yeah.
Break pocket now, straight for the narrow now, make no wrong turn.
Oh, no level no more. You don't see clock, you're blind, you want the glasses. So ladies and gentlemen, people, you just heard from Massive International. Now it's time for the high grade sound.
Some man a juggle like a road rabbit, them come. Everybody ever let us turn on the light on them, turn on it.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, oh yeah. Rise to the occasion.
I want to come, all who believe in this level. All who believe in yourself right now. Put up your two and I say.
I'm a champion, I'm a hero. I'm gonna ride till my tank is zero.
Put up your hand.
The rich man's
Why is it? Why?
So them call police for.
Yes, the police was here to protect and serve. What the guards are for them there? What said that boss?
Anytime man put on me clothes and step out, I would me notice that one. Them say me look so drunk under the AC in the bench.
Happy said if you come here somebody bar, put up the Guinness on them and juggling road.
I think I'm big.
Jungle. All over mission, put up your hand on the air, see the hand them. Over there, so put up your hand. Over here, so.
They see me rolling.
I be saying, hey, Lord.
And trying to catch me right.
Tell bad boy, all I do is we no matter what. Yeah, stop that, man. Stop that, brother, stop that. Watch the forward there, judges, watch the forward there. What now? Me select that juggle.
Brother, up on a hillside.
Tell bad boy now. After you don't more than me. What they want from why? Some of them boy are fool.
None of them not
Shut.
we bad Gaza,
What? Bad up myself. Me know say. What?
Anybody this them dead.
Put up your hand and say. Tell bad boy this. We do it for this. We do it for this.
Me a real bad man, that's why she love me. She no wanna.
Me and all of me ex them good.
No.
sound right now. Press a sampler. Okay, you are going. TWINSTAR, ready? The juggling round, 15 minutes right now, starts after this.
If you feel some variation already, give me some forward when I song. Jump the song.
No one knows my struggle. They don't know my trouble.
Who's so far again? We are gonna do one night here, so we have them, so. My bird out tonight, please, folks. Already for start kill sound it, juggling round.
Take me on the battlefield.
All who say God book up on the right on the ear. All who can't see it, tell them and never get your money.
Believe me, no leave me la.
Play me song.
I care less what workers of iniquity. Rastafari,
juggling around them
my security. Chimney.
All who say
Never
God
when coming in. Never leave by Jaja. I keep a far from vampires.
Big up we links, why not the link and keep the links think. We links no pirate, so we float, never sink. We link.
All who know say money we are bring. Drop the song now. In the street man hustle every day.
Me have a burn and me have a prepay. Money can't buy life. Money can't buy
life over that again. Go again.
You have to know real well.
All I know say you can defend yourself and defend where you come from. When me drop the song, what Bobby crowd? What me?
Them coward like that. Never yet get a chance.
So we are coming.
Settle up, man. I'm juggling around, man. You're like nervous.
Greatness are running on me blood. Greatness are running on me blood. Greatness are running on me blood. Greatness are running on me blood.
All I would know say you're real to yourself. That one on you.
She said, I'm a waste man. She want to link up on the ear. Say she want.
So they can't mix for 15 seconds. Let's jump the song. I'm juggling around. Jump the song.
Give me eczema. Big baller.
Jump the song.
Anyway you see me, you have to see them. Every day can't be the same.
Alright, my boss. Alright. Yeah, I can't forward now. Right now, this sound that is called to the stage. Roadcam, I want it. Press a sampler. Alright.
When I
see turn up Guinness sauce and Guinness.
Enemy, raise each other.
Early Emperor.
Man, a real bad man. Bad man. Beat little youth, you a baby bad man. Beat your lad when you a lady bad man. Waterford River Town, man, a real bad man. You know how long them want kill the little youth, but them can't kill me, you know why?
See the killer your way, everybody want kill. 10, 11 years, me they at the top still. Like past them, let's just show me trapping. So me run, that's a rip.
Missing the one from TWINSTAR. Him come here to him run late. Like he run all them sister blows. And a short shot. How would have got him out there?
Ball them a ball. Gun over wall. But when
I'ma tell them about road drama now. You see them selector, yeah?
And I said them no one. Thumping on my face, but fools them can't.
We can not talk about
sound like trap.
Me a drive come a Guinness sounds of greatness. Police run out in the road. License registration, boom bam bam bam. You have a license for him? I said, yes, officer. Here man go look for me. Yo, oh you're so young and I get license gun. Me look for him and tell him, say, Mr. Officer.
Protect my world, me I protect myself.
You see after me tell him that, he look for me and say, you can't play Guinness sounds of greatness. Me tell him, say, motherfucker again.
Only person with fear is the conductor.
All I girl know say no, we nothing for your girl. But so Lord don't get to Lord.
Catch one side.
Them a go no.
Good thing there. The good thing there.
Polo shirt to me, lads. Polo shirt to me. The artist, your boy, artist. All who you dance for us, ready. Me polo. All who grade me, but so Lord don't get tell him.
One make them vex. True, me no make friend of money, me. Gone uptown, me not to me. Pan belly, did the beat, I never left. Government, cause a boy like me not mad.
So you see if you get it, and this me I will tell you.
You can just work.
Time. But bling now to tell me about time. Everything we do, it take time.
So as we mentioned last week, this season the judges get the opportunity to bring a special wild card back into the clash. They get the chance to choose one sound from any week that did not win, and they have decided that Unruly Stumpy is going to be our special wild card this season. A very good sound, and due to a slight counting error, they have been awarded a new place back into the clash. So we will see Unruly Stumpy in the finals.
We're gonna start off with the resident judge, of course. Not nice.
Massive. Yeah, that look a round robin settings they want to start out with kind of slow. High grade sound, play like 300 songs. And then TWINSTAR play for about 150 of them.
High grade, you juggle like you're afraid. TWINSTAR, me no know what go on with you, the MC and the selector. But no, me not see nothing go on there, so.
Why me don't need to say nothing more? You didn't see crowd tell you, a road karma be straight. Road karma all the way.
All the way.
The judges have decided that the sound that has juggled its way into first place going into the challenge round is, of course, Road Karma. Then up next is High Grade Sound, and then we have Massive International, and last but by no means least, TWINSTAR Sound. Now, after these messages from our sponsors, we're going to put some challenges and some hurdles into the way of these sounds when we come back right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Welcome back to the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. These sounds have been ranked, and now it is time to test them. Welcome back to round 2 of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
In the challenge round right now, Road Karma will go up against TWINSTAR as Group A, and High Grade will go up against Massive B in Group B. So Group A, the challenge is to play 5 best spice that they can come up with to interact with the crowd with. And Group B will play 5 of the best. Oh, ladies, sir. Road Karma, you ready? So the challenge round, Group A, starts after this.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All of the girls who know say no girl can box and kick you. Bust a load blank panda one you.
Tell a girl say, me's a girl, me no fight over
man. From a little bit of those, so you.
This a girl on glue and game one.
See
that is son fool can just
that's why. No woman no fi fight over, no boy. All of the girls say make agree, bust a load blank. Do it.
Like good, nigga like good. My body good, me know me.
Me and the girl
like good, nigga like good. My body good, me know me.
Hey, girl, me say, when girl in my party no say one man, romance you. Hey, you see if me bring you to town, me a cherish you. Me a go put that on my 5-star hotel, you know why?
Tell me which man can make me take back me child. Tell him shuffle with the drink, me know the king of the jack. Me a wine in the dance, and me no take back no shot. Art spear dark clubs, me a the queen of the.
You like turn back way? Turn back way, turn back way. Turn back way, turn back way. But me tell you! Sit down, girl!
Me know me.
All of the girls you know say enjoy yourself. But say Lord Blanc over your head. No, me not like that forward there. All of the girls you know say you come here. You enjoy Guinness sounds of greatness. But say Lord Blanc for yourself, no man. Me and the girl live. Dance at 5, Spice song.
Anyway, me go, you know me do fi do me thing. Whining at the dance, when I back me just a thing. Sexy when me wine up, happy to put them a fling. Make me pull up on the ice like California wing. Make me back and shake it up.
Big up all of the girl, man, who say you not no problem.
Spice, you see in life when things are going for you, people uncle go out them glad for you. You see,
all of the girl, man, who say some girl bad mind at you, why you have to girl this?
Angel, nah listen what them a say, what them a say.
All of the women, them are no man problem. We have an answer. We have
right now. Me nah know
why.
Gotta deal with everything right now.
But that song I want me to play request to all of the natural black woman them. When you say you're proud of your skin color, that one your name.
It's not what you expect me to say.
All I want proud of your complexion, that one your name.
Say it anyway. I was told I would reach further if the color of my skin was lighter.
Big up all of the woman, my phone segment, listen up.
Look at this body.
Ready.
Everybody does a look for me. With me steam fish and okra body. Physically fit and strong with it. Me look good in a me clothes with me healthy body.
You have some girl them born in a bed. When the girl make you wine, no start bust a wine pan a song you know.
The boy a catch me pan the corner pan me head. All him a send it me a ball me out for dead.
Slimmers, me love how you go on. Yeah, me a cheer for you. Yeah, you right yourself.
Wine and a bubble and round a back does a jump. This
what the girl when a born, the girl start wine. Yes, me the you need to talk to.
This a the low back shot. 1 foot out.
Ready.
The voices of the public are very important, and we're here with a lovely lady tonight. What's your name?
Sophia.
All right, Sophia. Now, the challenge round now, we get a female in the challenge round. So it was the best of Spice. What you thought about that round?
It was good. Me like it. It play nice and good.
Yeah, you like the song them when them play?
Yes.
All right, so for you, who take that round?
Me not give it to the, my name Rod Karma.
Yeah, give it to Rod Karma. So out of 10, what would you give Rod Karma?
8.
And what would you give the other song?
5.
All right, so Sophia said Rod Karma, yeah.
Right now, not nice. We just saw 2 songs playing the best of Spice.
Quick and easy, Road Karma, finals.
Manablin.
Yes, man.
Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019, Road Karma. Road Karma straight. We not even have to say nothing more.
All of woman. Put up your let me see. Let's play the first lady song. God. Ladies, come on. It's a woman waiting up. We have no problem with that. All of woman, put your hand in the air. God. The ladies have to bust a neat one. Bust a what's over there? God. Walk up. Feel yourself up. Feel yourself.
Your man, he told me that he's tired.
Independent woman.
Yeah.
Over there, sir.
The one hit and said my bitch.
Independent woman. Who do we are talking of?
He likes it tight and said you're
Lord.
just a little slack. Girls don't get mad at me. I'm only.
What a little girl attack? Tell him. Independent woman. Scream at me here.
Me at a fight. See a girl the killer man last night. But watch a girl grab up.
The woman never was saying no boring.
Him left. Fan of my body. The only fan. Have a fit. Me possess with the book.
A lady song we get to play. The girl never was saying love lady song.
Him say it tight. Him can't get it.
Some girl that tell life on the man.
Pass me the Vaseline. Me you can't. Coulda you sweat.
Lord.
Big. Come on, girl out the straight. Me watch ya. You whole time girl them see don't can you. Petty be them bring joy.
Big up the girl never know say you have a relationship, baby. And your relationship comfortable. What the girl never comfortable there? What the comfortable girl like there? Comfortable woman. Send them up familiar this time there. The girl will not depend on no man say la. Read him up there. Ready back there. Say Thomas, girl, them.
See them argue, and with them a share. See don't worry about when next year.
Some of the girl in the come like pillar. When you go in the bed, go lie down, every man no move, no move. The girl about can't bend over, and when you bend over, you fast eat, now drop out. Every girl, turn back way, this a turn back way. Boy, the girl woman a look you, guess what?
Them want know when me use to hold the man them. Bashman something. No y'all want know about me not tell them. Man them, well, holy mama no know so for me.
Run it up. A while ago, me say, about 5 girls. Me say, baby, me can't go no 2 free pass. Yeah, the girl them.
Someone move like Chucky, but them don't know someone think be interested in I know. I don't
The girl them are lucky we have in here.
So we ban look.
Why? Yeah.
We not play the game, cause we know sucky, we use.
Stop. The girl walk come out and enjoy yourself. Say la 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 la. Rhythm.
You all don't know me a independent girl.
The girl out there.
Now beg no boy no more.
Yeah.
Cause me have my own.
Tell the girl.
No boy can't tell me when to
stop.
Lots of ladies came out tonight, and I have 2 beautiful ladies with me right now, and they're going to give us their opinions on some stuff. What's your name?
I'm Nastasia.
Hi, Nastasia. Where you from, Nastasia? You sound foreign.
Oh, my name Nastasia.
Ah, see there? And what's your name, baby?
Lakeisha.
All right, so tell me, who you thought took that round a while ago?
Massive.
All right, why you say so?
Because they had the crowd going on crazy.
All right, now that challenge was also all about the females and playing 5 big songs from a female. What you thought about that?
As y'all know, Lady Saw are the queen of dancehall, and Massive, him have the crowd a rock with the #1 tune.
All right, now so what would you give Massive out of 10?
I would give Massive probably a 7.
And what would you give Massive out of 10?
8.
And what would you give the other song?
About 5.
What would you give the other song?
Do we have to give him something?
See, now I said yes, we're not going to do this with she tonight. The ladies are loving the vibe here at the Guinness Sounds of Greatness, St. Thomas. Turn up!
Not nice.
Yeah, that was a good challenge round, you know. You know, the best ladies are them. High grade sound, play some big song, Massive sound, play some bigger songs. So, me I go give Massive sound.
All of the girls let me know y'all cheer for Massive right now. Uno boss a kitty blank me here no. So right now, I have to give Massive that round there.
The man have an argument for the girl them. Massive sound. I them take it.
So, based on the point standing right now, Massive Sound will go up against Road Karma in the dub for dub round.
The 2 sounds that rose to the challenge after the challenge round were Road Karma from Group A and Massive International from Group B. Those 2 sounds will go head to head in the dub for dub round when we return right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Stick around. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Welcome back. The final segment is just about to get underway here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. It is Road Karma versus Massive International going head to head in the dub for dub round. Dub for dub time now.
So this is the final round. This is 7 dub. 7 of your baddest dub. Choose a Guinness. Tell me where Guinness say.
I'm Mr. One. Number 1.
It is now time to explain to you our third and final round, the dub for dub round. Now only 2 sounds are left. Each sound will play 7 dubs, and they will play the 7 dubs alternately. So, after that, the judges will decide which of the 2 sounds will take home tonight's win and be the last and final sound to make it to the grand finale. Dub for dub time.
Dub for dub begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tonight I want to see sound that say dead. Say dead. All who are gonna dance long time to one in the ear.
And in the rough like we. And in the tough like we. Say nothing so we come again. Well.
Where my jump so far? DJ Jafar, tell the little domestic.
Road karma, I mean sound, all the time sound slaughter. Killer don't play it, and we just dance.
Hey,
someone must be crazy. But that's road karma.
Road karma. You never hear about Massive?
Massive International, every devil and Kirk. I don't want to go to talk and explain.
Sure.
If I know who them run from this,
who represent for Kingston? I would have St. Thomas. Make you kill him at St. Thomas, I know.
make we kill them that way, yeah. Oh, the world say road karma. Kill them. Road karma kill a sound. We kill a sound. We kill a sound. We kill a sound. We kill a sound. Road karma sound around the compound. Kill some a country. We kill some a town.
When Guinness Clash comes, some boy company figure up on TV. About some boy, I look at me, I tell them.
I said the original Chronics representing for Massive International.
I never talk about boss one.
Me I go kill him intelligent. Him play our Chronics. Me I go play a bad artist in Chronics. Oh, me I talk about.
Yes, you know, this is Cyberman from a father of Aurora. I saw we shoot all of them. All right then, I saw kill of them at all. I go come and never use a clash over your eye. Listen. Say pass me the yellow point shot, make we squeeze our fast and point it straight and down this
People are who them. A while ago play one new tune and I go connect. You want to follow me up on a one ya? Follow me up on a one ya.
In a terrible form, we're gonna murder you. In a mystic form, we come to kill you too. My fit will make you wanna cry. Hurt yourself, make you wanna lie. Be careful, be careful. Kill them, kill them.
Me never feel like more interesting. DJ Jafar, press play.
Tell me too high to go back and too wide to go around. You mean a DJ unknown? You don't know who Pungus warriors are in the same thing. Hey, son boy! I was like the car, man. I find say you're informer. Watch it. I know a reason with himself and one alone against the whole of them. I say unknown man. But me and friend know within himself, it'll be better. And the best way to chat to Father God. Hey, when I know laugh up with himself, the hypocrites them all talk about and no have no sense. Me and friend now laugh for them. Karma, magnificent.
That chicken, that another freedom. All who are come and dance long time, put 2 on in our ear.
And a mercy is in a shot down, algebra.
All who are come and dance, jump up and down. Run up and down. Guess what?
You're wrong for contest, massive sound. Tonight he might go kill you.
Run up and down.
You're wrong for contest, it's cool with a long talking.
Guess what?
Don't look on the full of
Rude boy, me is just 33. Me not born on them side device. Me have to stay current. All who say kill him, St. Thomas.
Road come, mother son. I want to make them know this a war. This a war. Even a DJ unknown, them sound they are press button.
Level that. Road boy. When you come a war, and you war with massive, you come prepare you. Don't just forward a war, so. Let me tell you one thing. I'm massive this.
You're Jesus Christ. When we take life, it's still tech. Yes, sir. Tell them dead. Try to this to massive boy, you're dead.
Press the stamp and make sure everything is right, Javon. All right, everything connect. Pass 3 mile when you know highway a bill. When me pass 3 mile, me pass red stripe oval and make the left. When me make the left, me a go see if you. Oh, me a go check.
Send for me little light. To Greece or God. Following on. You see the rifle in the picture. Me and friend me come. Just see the extra magazine. Bring it down in 14 and gun. 8K by my bring it down. And don't make me kill him, man.
People in my tribe, but it not work. You see, when you build a house, you have to dig a good foundation. Big up to all who come and dance for a long time.
I put a loose belly sound. You trying to conquer my sound. You never will.
Road boy. What a brother you know stay a young street. Yeah, mash up the people and mates over here, so. You look fun some over here, so the man get confused one night time. In a real life, that my kid man done no St. Thomas.
Road Karma music, DJ unknown never strap with two. And him ready for Jadi to a them. Cause the magnet pity. And the browning clip extend. Me and frame bust out as mirror. Martian can't. Road Karma full of streets a drama dog. Send you ahead when unknown squeeze up the chica. And your skin can't catch a fire.
Alright. Yo, they don't put up the bat still. Yeah.
You see, number 5 song.
Yeah.
For Road Karma, I never hear it.
Oh, because the technical difficulty.
Yeah. So I can't judge around it.
Right now, me have the two of them tie, you know.
Yeah, we know.
So no, regardless.
Regardless.
Still have to go 1-1.
Still have to go 1-1.
Yeah.
So you are going now. Massive. Road Karma. 1-1 each. Right now. No wasting up no time.
People, let me tell you one next thing. Me no matter where go on. Me a play a black cartel. Me a play one black cartel.
Space up to the time to the sport.
Yo, man. Yo, you see the man in front of my big sound. Step on. Me say, Bobby, you know say, we don't fool the Yo, Martin told them a real bad man.
Them say them a real bad man. What you check St. Thomas, you check Lalas, you check Houston, so much down. Let me tell about my gun them.
DJ unknown.
We have 14 on the clip, 14 on the clip.
14 on the clip.
In on the clip.
Dog if you easy if you panic, make sure no walk with it. And show the road and get giddy. Don't heed that.
St. Thomas, Yes. More on beer. St. Thomas. Hilltop would never hesitate to rise. Adams and them when them couldn't find. Bye. Boy, if you know I feel me money buy. Good morning, St. Thomas. Where big monster them there? How when we burn for the chrome, desert for the fiberglass. What it man? It's Munga and a rebel, yeah. In this house of greatness, St. Thomas, Yalas, and them say right now, me what? And I will say Hilltop. We outside. Hilltop. St. Thomas, we boss it where we. Youngsters don't play you around. Big and camp. Brad Greener.
St. Thomas don't play. Pagan can't stay. Red, green, and gold, and me will have forward, Michael. So me go sing me this. And who can defend himself? And who can defend himself, St. Thomas? Youngsters, Mongo, and a rebel. In the sounds of greatness. Boy, when I see the bishop of freedom, Unga praise Rastafari. I saw my choir with the punishment. I will pick. I see them girl. Them stress you. And then them left you. That's why we don't want to get the pressure we have to hear. Like how Marie love get a GA. Better you get. St. Thomas. Cause a boy like we not mad, no. St. Thomas say we not mad, no. We like to lay and spend enough money, no. You like to lay and win enough money, no. We need some greatness. In this one, so we energy up. These are ice and the kitchens in my Hennessy cup. Couple girls and couple taps to make the energy bump. So we know, run from make the energy.
Honorable in victory and honorable in defeat. Which sound will emerge victorious? We'll find that out right after this break. But in the meantime, Monga Honorable is on stage right now, behaving, of course, higher right here at the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Welcome back to the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. St. Thomas can only have one winner, and we all here at the Guinness Sounds of Greatness is ready to find out who that is. Who will win this week? Right after this.
Go to the judges right now. Judges, talk to me.
All right, as me said before, remember, me have a clash tie. And then the 1-for-1 song there. The cartel will play first. Massive get a nice forward, then Road Karma got the baby sham and dig out a last forward there, which I think was a bigger forward than the Vice Cartel. So Road Karma me give the clash.
Michael.
Well, I think not nice said enough. Road Karma. The last one there.
Cut it.
Yo, the man play a baby sham. And the man goofy forward feet be. The man dig out the forward out tight. A Road Karma.
All three judges right now unanimously. Based on the dub for dub. Massive, you heard the dub for yourself. You hear the last 1-for-1. Want to think about the last 1-for-1? Big up on yourself, Road Karma. You're moving on to the final.
The sixth and final spot in the grand finale goes to Road Karma. First and foremost, congratulations.
Yeah, man, thanks a lot, Jade, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, really appreciate it, you understand?
How are you feeling right now?
Right now, feel good in myself, I swear.
Now, how well prepared were you for the clash tonight?
Well, we're preparing, but I feel like we need to do more well in the dub for dub round and thing. But we just come with our have and show with talent, and we just gone through. I just the lot of work, you know.
Speaking of dubs, was there any specific dub that you cut for tonight specifically?
No, not necessary. You understand? We have those dubs for quite a while. You understand? So, to ourselves, we have to try and get some more dubs. You know what I mean? That was our week,
You know, weak era, so we need to work on that. And you know what I mean? We have to just go out there and try and see if we can get some dub and cut some dub. You understand? Because you know, artists think sometimes them in the country out, so kind of give you a look, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we have to just work with it, but we have to just come to 28, we have to just come to best A game. You understand? So we have a lot of work to do.
You have the least amount of time to get ready for the finals. What kind of preparation will go into the finals outside of the dubs?
Well, I've just put in more work and things. Yeah, go out there and just
do your best.
Do your best and
yeah, so you have the least time.
Jade, remember, we are from Kingston and we run the town, we run the ground, Road Karma. So when we're there town, full place. So
Kingston 11.
Our fear, place.
All right, Kingston 12 is in the finals. Road Karma, congratulations once again, our week 6 winner and the final sound to make it to the grand finale on June 28th. It is the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. 6 champions and 1 wild card will all do battle in the grand finale on June 28th at 214 Spanish Town Road. I am inviting you all to come and join us for the live action. It is the big finals of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2019. Over $1 million worth of cash and prizes, a championship belt, and of course, bragging rights are up for grabs on Friday, June 28th. And remember, all of those highlights you can see the following Saturday right here on TVJ, so you know where to catch me each and every Saturday until this clash is over. My name is Jade. Of course, before I go, I have to say a very big thank you to Loud Fashion for my outfit. They keep me slayed every single weekend. I ask the finals, girl, I'm gonna come right out. So on behalf of the Guinness team, thank you all so much for joining us. It's been wonderful. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness, baby. Later. Mwah.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.